Hey guys, I'm so sorry about you. Can I just leave my bag with you for a second? They won't let me bring it inside the store? Okay, I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much.
Yeah, this is.
Oh, it's his.
Yes, this is my bag.
Oh, it's yours.
Yeah, it's an adventurous bag, right?
I don't know. Somebody came and left it.
Someone came and left this bag here?
Yeah.
Oh, because I feel like this is like I've got the exact same bag as this. Yeah, this should be mine.
Okay. Well, hey. What happens when you leave a bag with somebody you don't know who they are?
Yeah,
I don't know. I can't say if it's yours or it's not. I have no clue.
Man, I feel you. Well, I appreciate you, man. Thank you. You guys have a good one. Thank you.
Hey everyone, Alec here at Dherbs. Today I'm going to be asking people if they can look after my backpack while I'm gone for a few minutes. If they're able to do it, I'm going to give them $100. Let's get to it. Hi, I'm so sorry to bother you. Is there any way I could leave my bag with you guys real quick? I'll be back in like a few minutes. Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Great, thank you. I'll be back. Yeah. Thanks. What's up? So we're like,
We were trying not to.
oh, thank you.
They're recording.
We're filming a show, yes. Yeah, so we shoot a show at Dherbs. We like to celebrate people's kindness and the kind gestures that people do. So I want to say thank you guys so much for protecting my bag from this scary man over here. We really appreciate it. And so for that, we actually want to celebrate your kindness by giving you $100.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yes, of course.
I was giving you the benefit of the doubt that you were coming back because we were actually talking about it. We were like, what if like he doesn't come back?
Yeah.
Or something like that. I was like, just give him the benefit of the doubt.
Yeah, no, but he left us with that responsibility, so we should take care of that.
Oh, that's awesome. I super appreciate that.
Business, you were not messing around.
Yeah, no, she was like, no, heck no. Yeah, thank you, Dherbs.